I can't spell it out for you. No, it's never gonna be that simple. No, I can't spell it out for you.
Spell it out for me.
If I just realize what I just realized, that we'd be perfect for each other and we'll never find enough. Just realize we'd never have to wonder if we miss out on each other now. But on this day, no, it's never the same. Still don't feel it too. If you meet me halfway,
I'll meet you halfway.
and you meet me halfway, if you leave the same for you. If you just realize that we're gonna be 18 in August and December.